Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. This is Todd with Industrial Comfort. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these really cool wooden gnomes using your lathe. The first thing I'm doing is rounding over a piece of maple stock that I've got here in the chuck. Now you can use any wood, you can use any size blank you have, but it's best to round it over, cut a 10 in, and then mount it to the chuck like I've done here. Now, what I'm going to do is make a one-piece gnome. So what I'm doing now is using my skew chisel to mark with a V-cut where the separation between the hat and the actual body of the gnome is going to be. Once I'm done doing this, I'm then going to take I'm actually trying to use a bowl gouge, which is perfectly fine, but I find that it's going to be a little bit easier to use a roughing gouge to create the conical appearance of the hat. With the shape of the hat now complete, I'm going to use my roughing gouge just to narrow the body a little bit so that it's more proportionate. I'm now going to take my skew chisel and blend the body into the hat so that I get a nice crisp transition. Now with a parting tool, I'm going to mark out the bottom of the body, and then I'm going to bring my skew chisel back to round the body over at the bottom. After a little touch-up and refinement, we'll be ready to start sanding. With the sanding now done, I'm going to apply some homemade friction polish. And I'll put a link in the description showing you how to make this if you're interested. I did not put a lot of coats on, and hence the fact that it didn't come out with a very high shine. Back over at the workbench, I'm drilling a hole for the nose insert. Now you can really use any drill bit as long as the insert is going to be the same diameter so you have a nice snug fit. Now I've placed a blank of wood in my chuck of the same wood species. This too is maple, and I'm using my roughing gouge to really skinny it down, and now I'm using a very small spindle gouge to create the nose, which essentially is a sphere with a little stick on the end, and that stick is going to correspond to the hole that I just drilled on the body, and I'll use that stick to insert it into the hole to keep the nose in place. For the final step, I've taken a patch of faux fur that I ordered on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description, and I'm essentially going to push the stick that was on the back side of the nose through the little patch of hair for the beard and I'm going to glue everything in place. And then we'll be done.
I hope you found this little gnome making video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.